On behalf of Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao and the Federal Highway Administration, I am pleased to announce that this administration is providing $705.7 million in emergency relief funds to 34 states, American Samoa, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands for repairs made to roads and bridges damaged by storms, floods, and other unexpected events. From wildfires that devastated California, to hurricanes that rocked communities in Florida, to dangerous rock slides in Colorado, natural disasters have ravaged communities from coast to coast. Today's announcement highlights funding that is critical support to restore broken transportation links. Topping the list of support, Puerto Rico will receive more than $138 million as a part of our ongoing commitment to repair road and bridge damage caused by Hurricanes Irma and Maria. We are inspired by the resilience of the American people in the face of natural disaster. This administration is proud to continue to stand alongside our neighbors as they rebuild.